Use our bot and select Custom Hands. Download the config file. Here, choose the hands that you want. Click Download the first time and log in. Now click Download again. Extract the files. Open the Assetto Corsa game files from Steam. Open the Content folder, then the Driver folder. Here, paste the extracted file .kn5. Now open Content Manager. Click on this button. Click Folder. Open the Skins folder and then the selected version of the car, in this case, the first one. Now copy the config file and paste it in the folder. Open the config file and write the name of your .kn5 file. In this case, it is ADA. Now save the file. In-game set the camera in the correct position. Enjoy your custom hands!